What's up, guys? Here's the earth shift in progress. I put these two glass panels in. I also built a little pizza oven. And this thing works pretty good. Kicks out heat real nicely right here. We got most of the roof on. The water's been going out nicely, staying dry in here. I'm working on this arch door. It's gonna be a custom door. Pretty big. I want this to be big enough where I can ride the four-wheelers through the house. I can go straight through the house on the ATVs. It'd be cool, and then grab some fruits and veggies as I go. This will be a garden right here. Greenhouse, kitchen, dining table over there built into the ground, and this will be the bedroom. And this is going to be our wood cellar back here and dig down in the ground. Build a big dome over it.